On the board, you have what fraction of the large square below is shaded? What fraction of these is shaded? We have two squares here on the board. We have the big square and we have the smaller square. The smaller one is being embedded in the big one. Now, the question is, what fraction of the large one, this large one, is shaded? Now, to be able to get the fraction of the large shaded square, now how do we do that on the board? First of all, we said area of the big square. Area of the big square is equal to length times length. So area of the big square will give us, the big square, if you watch, square has all sides equal. All sides of square are equal. That's the reason you have length times length. Or you can also say length square, because the four sides of the square are equal. So that's the reason I have my length times length, because this is equal to this, and equal to the other side. So your length times length, what is the length of the big? Area of the big square, length times length, which will give us 12 times 12, which is 144. See now, 144 centimeter what? Square. So having found the length of the big square, what's the next thing? We will look for the length of the smaller square. When you check inside, you have the smaller square embedded in the big square. So now we want to look for the area of the smaller square. So it will be area of the smaller square. It will also give you the same thing as length times length, which is, you have your 9 and the 9 to be 9 times 9, which will give us 81 centimeter square. Now, since we've gotten the area of the big square, the same thing as area of the smaller square. Now, in order to look for the fraction, this is what you do. To look for the fraction, they said look for the fraction of it. So it will be 81, which is the smaller one, over 144, which is the bigger one. Remember, what fraction? What fraction? So it will be the smaller over the big one. So here, fraction will be equal to smaller over the bigger one. Bigger square. Smaller square over big. Now, the smaller is your 81. Then the big one is your 144. Now we'll divide. What can go? 9 can go. 9 here is 9. 9 here is 16. So you have 9 over 16.